Ganda man to. Kung ka. Electric fan mo. Mag-electric fan ka pa? Yes. Mainit talaga. Wala kang electric fan sa school? Hindi ka nahanginan? Oh, bye-bye. Ewan ko sa'yo.
This is LZD-TV Channel 33, a commercial TV station transmitting in a
Wala
25
dito.
kilowatt electric
Saan
radio
ba?
tower, owned and operated by
Wala na ba
Zoe
kayo?
Broadcasting Network Incorporated with temporary permit number BSD-0208-2020 for rent, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until December 9, 2027. Zoe DTV Channel 33 studios are located on the 22nd floor of Strata 3000 building, Emerald Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, with transmitter at Barangay San Roque, Antipolo City. Zoe DTV Channel 32 operates under the supervision of the following professional electronics engineers duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission. Engineer Antonio D. Soriano, PECE number 42. Engineer Vincent G. Ronquillo, PECE number 1199. And carried out by the following electronics engineers, electronics technicians, and first-class radio operators duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and National Telecommunications Commission. Engineer Rachel Ann S. Roque, ECE number 66327. Engineer Jed Ellison C. Zapanda, ECE number 62739. Engineer James Stephen M. Fabros, ECE number 70940. Engineer Abraham G. Aragon, ECE number 63291. Engineer Jimwell M. Callejo, ECE number 75471. Engineer Jack Michael B. Dalit, ECE number 68369. Engineer Michael Andrew M. Capendi, ECE number 76124. Engineer Terry John H. Blanza II, ECE number 41568. Manager G. Oglan, ECE number 23222. John Paul R. Ogsomer, ECT number 27635. Charlie F. Perez, 06-1PHN-23257. Peter N. Basaliote, 06-1PNCR-23273. Gerard Lawrence O. Sandagon, 06-1PV-23313. Nelson Jr. C. Suarez, 17-1PNCR-26853. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board, seen via satellite on 5 stations nationwide. DTV 32 Baguio City, DTV 20 Cebu City, DTV 20 Guimaras, DTV 20 Cagayan de Oro City, DTV 20 Davao City. This is DZOZ DTV Channel 33. Now signing on. patuloy na ibibigay. Hingin namin ang iyong patnubay at direksyon sa pagharap namin sa panibagong hamon ng buhay. Dalangin namin na kami maging daluyan ng iyong pagtutulong, pagpapala at pag-asa sa aming pinagpinturan nang maisulog namin ang iyong kaharian sa bansang Pilipinas at sa anumang dako ng mundo. Lukuban mo kami ng iyong Santong Espiritu upang masunod namin ang iyong banal na kalooban at kami magtagumpay. Ito ang aking dalangin sa ngalan ng iyong anak at aming Panginoon at Tagapagligtas na si Jesus. Amen. Ngayong umaga sa Light TV. Dito lang yan sa Light TV.